Hello, my name is Jim DeMeo, and this is A Course in Miracles. Today is Lesson 32. I have invented the world I see. Today we are continuing to develop the theme of cause and effect. You are not the victim of the world you see because you invented it. You can give it up as easily as you made it up. You will see it or not see it as you wish. While you want it, you will see it. When you no longer want it, it will not be there for you to see. The idea for today, like the preceding ones, applies to your inner and outer worlds, which are actually the same. However, since you see them as different, the practice periods for today will again include two phases. One involving the world you see outside you, and the other, the world you see in your mind. In today's exercises, try to introduce the thought that both are in your imagination. Again, we will begin the practice periods for the morning and evening by repeating the idea for today 2 or 3 times while looking around at the world you see outside yourself. Then close your eyes. Look around your inner world. Try to treat them both as equally as possible. Repeat the idea for today unhurriedly, as often as you wish. As you watch the images your imagination presents to your awareness. For the 2 longer practice periods, 3 to 5 minutes are recommended, with no less than 3 required. More than 5 can be utilized if you find the exercise restful. To facilitate this, select a time when few distractions are anticipated and when you yourself feel reasonably ready. These exercises are also to be continued during the day as often as possible. The shorter applications consist of repeating the ideas slowly as you survey either your inner or outer world. It does not matter which you choose. The idea for today should also be applied immediately to any situation that may distress you. Apply the idea by telling yourself, I have invented this situation as I see it. 2 things come to my mind from today's lesson. First, of course, the difficulty in many brothers and sisters in thinking that we have invented the world that we see outside ourselves. It really should be stressed that you're not, you're not at all expected to understand this or even to believe it. No, actually, all that's being asked is to simply think that it might be possible. In other words, to allow it to be considered. You're not being asked to sign on or make some form of commitment you're not ready for. He's very aware of that, isn't he? Because he says 2 phases are needed because you still see the inner world and the outer world as separate. However, for what it's worth, I guarantee you that as you do the Course in Miracles, you will begin to see that this is true. It's a process of coming into an awareness of something that we've never really considered before. Cause and effect. What I think is what I see. Second thing, try not to forget the evening meditation time. Hopefully you can use this time to briefly take care of the 3 to 5 minutes. But remember again, I'll try with you to meditate again on this lesson for the 3 to 5 minutes. Peace. We'll talk again.